Let's get going. Here we go. Round number uno. Knight let's play a6, of course. I'll put it in emote. Are we already in emote? Let me see. Emote. Yeah. I think we're already in emote. Okay, good. Okay, we got e4. Okay, let's play e6. I'm probably going to play b5. I think I've played this guy before. Let's go b5, bishop b7. Yeah, we are in emote already, so it's good. Let's go c5. This is actually what I played against Fabiano. I think I had something very similar to this. Let's go d6, like knight d7 and knight f6. I guess I'll go knight e7, maybe knight c6. I don't know if he's gonna play e5. I think I'm gonna play I'm gonna go knight g6, something a little bit different. Probably he'll go like knight g. He goes to a4 here. Interesting. So I could take, but I think I'm gonna go c4 here. I think I'm gonna play castles. Keep it very simple. An angel talking to an angel. Talking to an angel. Must be talking to an angel. To an angel. Very, very slow first game. It goes b4. That's not the move I expected. I don't know if I actually like b4 because wait, I can play en passant with it. I think I'm just gonna take. I'm gonna play it this way because I'm playing a 2500. Normally I would not play it like this, but against a 2500 I need to kind of mix it up a little bit. So let's go knight b6. I have e5. I've got a5, a4, maybe bishop a6. I feel like I'm doing quite decently here. Also a weak c pawn as well, potentially. Also queen c7. There's bishop d3. I kind of want to play d5 here. It's also very committal. But I think I will play d5 here to hit the center. He's going to go e5. I'll go queen c8 to hit the pawn. Let's go here, hit the pawn. Actually, I should have played a4 first. Maybe I have knight c4 somewhere, though. I don't know. Feels a little bit sus. A little bit sus the way I played this, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get away with it. I also have a4, a3. Maybe just start pushing the p. It goes there. Go a4. Kind of idea to play a3. It goes there, which is a good move. I think I'm going to play bishop d8 here. Okay, now of course I'm going to play bishop a6, trade off the light square bishops, obviously. I feel like I'm doing okay here. It goes there, which I think is a horrible move. Let's go here. Now I've got a great knife on c4. It's a beautiful knife. I also have knife f4 somewhere in here too, I think. Like bishop. Let's trade. Let's go here, hit the rook, and I'm just going to start pushing the p. I guess I'll keep pushing p, why not? Okay, rook a4 makes sense. I can go like queen a8, overprotect. I can even go queen d7 and rook a8 back. I should be better. At some point I'm probably going to play f6 and massage the center and break the chain. But we'll see. Only problem for me is my knight on g6. But if I go knight f4, what's his move? Actually, knight f4 looks like a good move. I think I'll go here to hit the queen. Now I'm gonna go here, guard the pawn, guard the rook. Also angle for knight e2 with the classic fork of 3. Yeah, I like my position here. I'm holding everything very neatly. Actually, I realized knight e2 just hangs a knight. What am I smoking? I'm smoking something. I don't know what I'm smoking, but it's not good. Knight e2 just hangs a knight. What am I? Can I play knight d3? I think I'm gonna go for it. I don't know if it's right, but I think I can play it. I guess I just hit the bishop here, and I can just line up the legendary triple stack on the a file too. Just queen b3. Okay, so I think I lined up the triple stack, of course. Knight c2. Take. I guess I'm gonna play like h5 maybe. I mean, he's so slow. I think I'm gonna go h4. Now I'm gonna start rewinding with the queen. So if he takes, I always just go back and reset the triple stack. Okay, knight c2, reasonable. I think I'm just gonna go back. Oh wait, now I can't do it though. Knight a3. And g by g4 is an idea here, but it doesn't look right. Was my queen already on d3? Where was it? This was the start, right? So it's only the second time, right? Only the second time, so let's go back. I'm just gonna slowly, I'm gonna put the rook on a5 so it's not a threefold, and I'm gonna slow it down. Did I just blunder this? I did. Oh wait, yeah, queen just. Oh no, I just blundered. Oh no, what am I doing? I'm just throwing this game away for no reason. Unbelievable. There, wait. I've got to be very careful, actually. Somehow I've really messed this up. Let's go here. Keep the triple stack. I mean, I think I'll still win this game, but very bad. Yeah, I think I'm still going to win, but whew, I played this badly. Oof, very, very bad.